No.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Today I have my baby brother and my mother with me to play in the snow.
Hello everyone. In this video we are just going to learn something about snow, as it is snowing here, and today I got a chance to do recording outside. See, the snow is coming here. So see, all the trees and plants are covered by snow. As you can see, some trees are having leaves on it. This Christmas tree is having some leaves, but it is covered with snow, and this tree is having no leaf, covered with snow. Okay, so let's learn about snow. What is snow? Is anyone sitting in the sky and crushing the ice so that snowflakes will fall on the earth? No. So how does the snow formed?
To understand snow, first we have to understand clouds. Clouds are made up of tiny water droplets or ice crystals stuck to dust and with some gases. Okay, so clouds are not made up of water vapors, they are made up of tiny water droplets or ice crystals. How? So here is the answer of how. First, evaporation takes place from the Earth's surface. When these water vapors rises up in the sky and when they reach to a cooler space, cooler area, then they turn into water droplets. Then these water droplets are so light that they can fly in the air. When these flying water droplets make a bunch, then that bunch is called cloud. When they grow more bigger and bigger and they reach to a condition when they could not hold their weight, they fall on earth in the form of raindrops. Okay, so this is the formation of cloud with water droplets and the formation of rain also, and that's how we get rain on the earth. Now the same thing will happen, but here the temperature is freezing. So for snow formation, what happens? First of all, evaporation takes place on Earth's surface. When these water vapors, evaporated water vapors, reach to higher level where the temperature is freezing. So these water vapors directly convert into tiny ice crystals. These tiny ice crystals are called snow. When these snow pieces or ice crystals stick to each other, they grow bigger and bigger. So they make bigger snowflakes. When this cloud made up of snowflakes will grow bigger and bigger, and each snowflake also get bigger, and they could not hold their weight, they will fall on the earth in the form of snowfall. So this is how we get snow. Now, what is snow? Snow is a solid form of precipitation, and rain is a liquid form of precipitation. What is precipitation? Precipitation is a process in which water comes back from sky to earth. It can be in liquid form or solid form. So let's check the list of types of precipitation. This is liquid precipitation. It can be drizzle, rain, or cloudburst. Freezing precipitation and frozen precipitation. Freezing precipitation means from the sky they are falling in the form of rain only, but when they reach to the ground level, they are either mixed, means rain and snow, or they are completely freeze. But from sky they fall like a rain only, but as the ground temperature is very cold and freezing, so the normal rain freezes. That makes it freezing precipitation or freezing rain. Now, frozen precipitation. Frozen means they are formed as solid precipitation, already frozen, okay, already in solid form. How? So snow is frozen precipitation because the water vapors are directly converting into solid form. Okay, they are not first turning to a liquid and then turning to a solid. No, the gas is directly converted into solid form. This is called deposition, and it's a form of solid precipitation or frozen precipitation. So, what comes in frozen precipitation? Snow, snow grains, they are little bigger than snowflakes, ice crystals. When the snow reaches to a level where the temperature is little warmer, so the snow starts melting, but not completely melting. Their snowflake structure is gone, but they are still in ice crystal form. Okay, now when they grow in size, so snow is the smallest, then snow grain, then the bigger one, little bigger than that is ice crystal. When we will get snow? We will get snow if the temperature of the air through the ground is between -9 to 2 degrees Celsius. Then we will get snow as it is formed from the cloud. Now, what is the reason of this temperature? See, if the temperature is more cold, means more lower than -9 degree, the air will be dry, which is not having any moisture. Okay, and if the temperature is higher, hotter than 2 degrees Celsius, then again the snow will start melting. Okay, so if the temperature is not between -9 degrees Celsius to 2 degrees Celsius, the air will not have any moisture, and if air is not having any moisture, the snow will not fall because snow needs moisture. And when snow is falling from here to here, it will stick to other snowflake, okay, and they will make bigger snowflakes. Now let's move to sleet. When the snowflakes formed in the cloud falls toward the earth, and they passes a layer which is having warm air. So what will happen? Some snowflakes which are very small, they will melt very faster, and the snowflakes which are little bigger, they will melt slowly or they will never melt. It can happen. Okay, so we will get partly melted snow. So some will be ice drops, some will be melted snowflakes, and some will be rain. Okay, it is mixed, completely mixed. And after that, there is a layer of cold air, freezing air. So what will happen? Whatever liquid is formed in this layer, they will change back to ice in this layer. Okay, they are melted here, but this cool air, freezing air will freeze them again. So we will get some snowflakes which can be in the correct shape, or they might be in destructed shape, but they are frozen. Everything is frozen. So this is how we will get sleet on the earth's surface. Now let's come to freezing rain. In freezing rain, as we can see in this picture, the snow is passing through thick layer of warm air. They all get melted, but at the ground level, as the temperature is freezing, the drops will freeze after they fall on any surface. Now rain. In rain, the snowflake which is coming down never reaches to a freezing temperature. So rain never refreezes. So here are some pictures which will show different types of frozen precipitation. And for measuring their size, they have kept a coin here also. When we will get sleet? When the ground level temperature is between 2 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. Because that point, some snowflakes will start melting and they will change their shape. And for snow, as we have seen, the ground level temperature should be minus 9 degrees Celsius to 2 degrees Celsius. The hail is formed mainly in the clouds. Okay, because what happens when heavy wind blows near to the cloud and it moves the cloud. So these ice crystals move and they strike and stick to each other. Okay, so they will make bigger and bigger ice crystal. So temperature and air pressure, wind, these all things matter to get hail, groupal, sleet. This is frozen rain. What happened here is on earth the temperature is very cold and freezing, so these drops of water set on any object or tree turned into ice.
Now, what is snowstorm? When there is a heavy snowfall with heavy wind, that makes a snowstorm. Okay, let's understand the types of winter storm. The first one is blizzard. There are three conditions to be a blizzard. The first one is the wind must be 56 kilometers per hour. The second condition is it must be a very heavy snowfall. And the third condition is the storm must go at least for 3 hours, at least. Okay, so this makes a blizzard. If there are these three conditions, then blizzard is there.
Here are some pictures of blizzard. This picture shows the snow is falling from the cloud, heavy wind is also there, and visibility is also very low.
Now there is another type of blizzard which is known as ground blizzard. During ground blizzard, what happens? The snow does not fall from the sky. The sky is clear, but only a heavy wind blows, okay? Very heavy wind blows. And what happens? This loose snow which is fallen here, already fallen here. So the heavy wind takes this loose snow from the ground to the atmosphere. Ground blizzard is a weather condition which occurs after winter storm has passed. During ground blizzard, loose snow on the ground is lifted and blown by strong wind. This is ground blizzard.
Here are some pictures of ground blizzard, and you can see that the sky is clear and heavy wind is blowing, which is taking the ground snow, ground loose snow with it. So the wind can be very heavy, due to which they will take more and more snow with it, and which will decrease the visibility.
Wow, Moksha, very good. So my kids are making snow castle.
Snow castle. Just like uh sand, just like a sand castle.
Yes.
It's a snow castle.
Mm.
No, I'm not done yet.
So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more such educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.